How would you report? How would you go about it? You can raise your hands. I don't know how to see raised hands. Okay, Manas, how would you go
Yes,
about
I
it?
would probably begin by giving a brief overview, building up context as to why is this session being conducted in the first place. Then I would give an overarching sort of like 2 3 lines about what was accomplished in the session, so that anybody who's reading the first 2 paragraphs will get an idea. They don't need to necessarily read forward. If they want to, then I'll go into further details. First, I will then go into individual points that are being discussed one by one based upon what I find interesting, and then finally give a concluding statement ki what was it, going into more like on the emotional side, like what was the vibe, how did everybody feel. So building it up in layers based on what the reader would want, more or less. Yeah.
Right. So, as Manas said, sometimes you can, build it up in layers. You can build up. Uh, I have a very good example to give about it. If you are watching a series, would you watch something जिसका सीजन 1 या जिसका फर्स्ट एपिसोड ही तुमको अच्छा नहीं लगा? A lot of people are like कि नहीं, ऑफिस सीजन 1 के बाद अच्छा होता है. But why would I essentially watch something that I did not enjoy for like 12 hours? 24 एपिसोड आधे घंटे के, इफ आई कैच, तो मैं 12 घंटे अगर मुझे कुछ पसंद ही नहीं आया तो मैं आगे क्यों देखूंगा? दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव. If something goes on to become better with time, then it doesn't really interest a lot of people because you lose a lot of people in the very beginning. So whenever you are writing something, make sure कि अगर तुम build up दे रहे हो तो build up भी उतना strong होना चाहिए. You shouldn't be like you've gone on to give 7 brilliant seasons of Game of Thrones and you are shitting the bat with your entire season 8, or you are giving a brilliant Sacred Games season 1 but you're not giving a good season 2. So make sure that if you're building up properly, you need to also conclude it in a way which is satisfactory or which feels good. A lot of people don't like Friends, a lot of people don't like a lot of other series. Yes, Shriya, am I boring? Never mind. हाँ, so what I was saying is, अगर तुम build up दे रहे हो तो make sure कि तुम्हारा conclusion भी उतना satisfactory होना चाहिए. So that is about what you want to report, how you want to report. Now there are certain getting to that. As I was talking before, everyone has a preference of writing. Not everyone writes in the same manner. So as I said before कि तुम वहां पे जाके बैठोगे, लोग बड़बड़ कर रहे हैं, इसको कुछ बोला, he said something, she said something, that country said something to this. Some people, prefer to make it a summary or minutes of meetings of sort. Some people are so invested in the agenda, or some people are, so invested regarding whatever is happening in the committee, they develop opinions about it. Now, as journalists or as reporters, you're not supposed to give opinions. You're not supposed to give opinions, right? So, what do you do then? You can write an opinion editorial, an opinion piece about it, wherein you just give your opinion ki this is what has been happening. These are the facts, and you think कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. That is an opinion piece. Or what you can do is you can have a simple report in a very rigid sort of style. There is a beat. What is a beat? 1 second. Now we'll get on to the more क्या बोलते हैं, comprehensive parts of it. So how do you screen share? Okay, can you see? Is my screen visible? 1 second. That is good.
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, never mind. So what I was talking about is basically a beat is something wherein you essentially report about something very specific. Now, for example, if you're a reporter and you're going into UNSC, ठीक है, तुम UNSC में गए and you're reporting about UNSC, so you can report about something very specific that has been going about in UNSC. That is basically you can report about the power play or the politics which is going inside the committee. That will be a political beat. You can choose to summarize the committee. If I, if I, when you read the newspaper, there's a sports section, there's a city section, there's a political section, there's a national section, and there's an editorial, right? So those sections are essentially your beat. So basically अगर तुम कुछ specific चीज को cover कर रहे हो तो वो तुम्हारा beat हो जाता है. So you can choose to report about specific sections about that particular aspect of your committee. You can choose to summarize it or you can choose to give your opinion. Now once you decide कि ठीक है मैं opinion देने वाली हूँ या फिर मैं summary लिखने वाला हूँ या फिर मैं कुछ XYZ करने वाला हूँ, तो उसके लिए basic चीज क्या होती है? Content, right? बिना कंटेंट के लाइफ नहीं होती है, फिर बिना कंटेंट के तुम कुछ लिख ही नहीं सकते. सो नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू गैदर दैट कंटेंट, व्हाट आर यू सपोज्ड टू डू? Supposed to jot down every single thing that is happening. You're supposed to like take notes. Excuse my handwriting, it looks cheap and cheap. Everyone says that, but yeah. So gather as many notes as you can. जितना लिख सकते हो उतना लिखो. USA said this. DPRK said this. The United Kingdom decided to say this. So once you have a lot of quotes or once you have a general overview or once you have your general content, then you can get into the specifics. Because again, even when I'm speaking right now, you will choose to discard a part of what I'm saying and you will only catch a specific part which you like to focus on or which you think was beneficial in nature for you. That is uncluttering. तुम noise निकाल रहे हो और तुम क्या ले रहे हो, सिर्फ जो तुमको बहुत जरूरी लग रहा है या फिर तुमको इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. जो चीज तुमको बोरिंग लगी वो तुम नहीं लोगे. बराबर? Yes, no, yes. Yeah. So you will only take the fundamentals of what you think is something that should be reported upon. You will not choose something that has a lot of clutter or noise in it. So that is why taking notes is very essential. It helps you unclutter the clutter. It helps you to gain a structure or gain a basic idea for your report. Now, there's a particular style of writing which I ask people to follow. Before I ask about that, I'll ask you, what is this? What is this?
A pyramid.
This is a pyramid, right? So, when we talk about a pyramid, what is the most important component of this pyramid?
The capstone.
Sorry?
The capstone, the stone at the top.
No. Which is the most important part of this pyramid? जिसके बिना pyramid पे
The
The
triangular
dead
shape.
body inside it, the mummy.
no.
The base.
The
Who's
triangle.
saying
If there
the
is
base?
no
Take or
foundation, it will
set.
not stick only.
Risha said the base, right?
Yeah.
But tell me one thing, will this pyramid exist or will your buildings or will anything in the world really exist without its base?
Yeah, there is no foundation, it won't stick.
No foundation तो कुछ
It's
चलेगा
all-
नहीं, इसके बिना कुछ चलता नहीं है. So the most important component or the most basic component of any pyramid is its base. So now, if suppose I were to, invert this, right? If I was supposed, Zoom is very annoying. If I was supposed to invert it, तो सबसे वो जो ट्राइंगल था वो उल्टा हो जाएगा, essentially ऐसा हो जाएगा, right? उसका बेस ऊपर चला जाएगा. तो essentially जो most important component है ना उस pyramid का, वो जब तुम ऊपर लेते हो, जब तुम तुम्हारे बेस को incorporate करके लेते हो, that is your inverted pyramid style of writing. What you basically do is, तुम्हारा जो सबसे important aspect है, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, the clutter, the uncluttering which you have done, the important aspects which you've taken out, you will place them in the first few paragraphs of your story, and that is where you will answer the W and H's. What are the W and H's? Who, what, where, when, how. ये 5 सवालों के बिना तुम्हारा रिपोर्ट बनता नहीं, because तुम कुछ भी लिखते हो तो that is when you are essentially answering those 5 questions of who, what, why, where and when. Inverted pyramid is a very boring style of writing. Let me be very clear about it. As a reporter, your main job is to make it exciting. Anyone can write like this. Who, what, when, where, why. कोई भी आंसर कर सकता है, कोई भी लिख सकता है, पर उसको एक इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से दिखाना, to present it in a way which is, engaging to the reader, is something that is your job, to present it in a way that is engaging someone. Now, what is the basic of getting someone engaged to your article? What is the main basic thing which you get to engage someone? पकड़ लिया तुमको, क्या करते हो?
Like the
Yes, Shreya.
headline, maybe.
Headline or the title. Make sure that you have a very catchy or a very quirky title. Like, do you guys know about electoral bonds? इंडिया में इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड का सिस्टम चलता है, तो अगर तुमको पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को अगर डोनेशन देना है तो यू एसेंशियली बाय दोस इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड्स ऑफ XYZ अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. So once I was okay, wait, I never introduced myself. I'll do that in the last. Anyway, let's get along with it. So once when I was reporting in when I was in your place and I was in Lok Sabha where they were discussing about the electoral bonds and its implications. The title which I decided to give was I think it was quirky. How would you title something when you are discussing those electoral bonds? I went ahead with bond, electoral bond. मतलब it catches. You might have heard Bond, James Bond. वैसे ही I just removed the James and I put in electoral because it is catchy. तुम्हारा वो वहीं पे मैंने attention पकड़ लिया. क्यों? क्योंकि headline बहुत quirky है. अभी मैंने बहुत अच्छा शो बना लिया, फिर मैंने बहुत अच्छा आर्टिकल लिख दिया, पर मैंने हेडलाइन ही बहुत भद्दा सा दे दिया, तो तुम नहीं पढ़ोगे बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग. तो मेक श्योर कि अगर तुम बिल्ड कर रहे हो या फिर तुम इन्वर्टेड पिरामिड से लिख रहे हो या फिर तुम ओपिनियन पीस लिख रहे हो, टाइटल कैची होना चाहिए. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक इवन व्हेन यू रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स और व्हेन यू वॉच टीवी न्यूज़ व्हिच आई डोंट रियली I'm not really a big fan of, considering how it is nowadays. But there was a show going on Aaj Tak. The program was titled India Ke Papa, and there was Modi's photo on it. I will not say anything, but it was catchy. It kept me like, why has he kept the name India Ke Papa? So photo laga ki India Ke Papa, why have they kept it? It caught my eye. Like they've kept his photo and they've written India Ke Papa. It doesn't make sense. Okay, it doesn't make sense. But it is catchy and it is quirky. Yes, legendary. It is catchy. It is catchy and it is very quirky. So make sure that you are getting. Okay, why are people turning off their cameras? Am I boring you guys? Can I please have the cameras back? I promise I won't bore anymore. Right. So make sure to be catchy, quirky. Make sure to write it in a way which has substantial information in it. Right. Are there any questions so far? I have covered structure. I have covered how will you gather content, or rather how would you want to report. I have gathered that I have informed you of the fact that I would want your preferences of committees. I have also given a study guide which is very comprehensive, so not an issue. Study guide पढ़ने बोला था.
I have a question.
हाँ.
So I went through the study guide and the press release of 2019, and there it was stated that we cannot mention the phrase moderated caucus. But I read the 2019 ka press release, and there was
I wasn't.
What is the alternative for that if you want to?
So I wasn't here in 2019. I did not do press purpose in 2019, so I do not know. But I personally do not prefer having these terms. Now, what is a moderated? As Manas said, unmoderated caucus or a moderated caucus is basically an informal discussion which you are doing. A discussion. So when we use these, fancy terms or fancy, I am personally not a big fan of using fancy terms or fancy words. There's a reason behind it. I believe, or what I have been taught by my professors thus far who actually work at Forbes and stuff. They have always tried to teach us one thing. The more simpler you are with your wordings, the more simpler you are with your writings, the better you are. Because that is your job. That is what you want to do. Why do newspapers exist? Why do press releases exist? Why does anything which gives out information exist? To make things simpler. Why do I exist here right now? To make it simple for you, right? So that you don't have any questions, so that you aren't stuck at something. So that is what we are supposed to do too. So why to use fancy words and fancy terms which won't be which isn't something that a normal person who does not know what a MUN is, or what a UN is, or what a League of Nations is, won't understand. Doesn't make sense, right? तो सादे शब्द यूज करेंगे, जैसे इनफॉर्मली डिस्कस किया, फॉर्मली डिस्कस किया, रेजोल्यूशन टेबल किया. रेजोल्यूशन इज अ वर्ड यू कैन यूज ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड्स. अगर वो भी यूज नहीं करना है तो भी क्या यूज कर सकते हो? लिस्ट ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस व्हिच वर पास्ड. Simple, keep it simple, do not overcomplicate it. The As you might know that India and China were embroiled into a conflict back in June or July. What was the main problem you felt all the newspapers or the news media had regarding the conflict? I noticed one major flaw with the reporting. Anybody wants to answer?
Can you repeat? I kind of lost you in there was a glitch.
So what I essentially asked was, India and China were embroiled in a conflict 2-3 months ago. The reporting which surrounded it, there was a one major fundamental flaw with it. So can you tell me what the flaw was? Or what was something that you personally did not understand with regards to the India-China reporting?
Maybe beating around the bush. I
Okay,
personally was pretty confused, like what exactly is happening. Yeah.
Exactly. That is what I was coming around. The whole problem which even I faced, or which even me, people like you and me faced, was we did not understand kya hua. Okay, sorry, some troubles I was facing. So the problem, like I was saying, हमको नहीं समझा क्या हुआ. पीएमओ से एक आया, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर से एक आया, फॉरेन मिनिस्टर से एक आया, और न्यूज में से एक आया. There was a lot of noise and there was a lot of clutter. You did not know what happened. Why was it done? God knows. But from a news media point of perspective, or from a sort of a censorship sort of perspective, what you can say is it was done majorly to not give you, or not have you understand ki kya ho raha hai. That was the main motive behind it. Because if 5 different outlets are saying something, if you are getting 5 different angles from the government itself, you won't know what happened. You won't know whom to trust. That is the major problem with social media nowadays as well. You may have seen Social Dilemma or The Great Hack. The information which we are getting is very different to the information which I am getting, you are getting, or everyone is getting. Everyone gets a personalized news feed, and there's no way to ascertain what are the facts. So that is why even what our professors tell us, or even what I tell people, is keep it simple. Do not overcomplicate it. Simple rakho, sweet rakho. Crisp, simple, to the point. Do not beat around the bush. And if the committee is beating around the bush, openly criticize. No issues. यहाँ तक clear है? Okay. So with regards to the word limit, some people like to keep it short. Some people like to just keep on write. So to tackle that issue, I am very liberal with the word limit. Well, not as liberal, but 250 to 400 and 50. 250 to 450 is the word limit I keep. तो छोटे वाले भी cover हो जाते हैं minimum 250, और बड़े वाले भी cover हो जाते हैं 450. Margin of error minus plus minus 10. तो तुम 240 दोगे तो मैं तुम्हारा गला नहीं काटने वाला हूँ. Tension, no worries about it, and there's no negative marking for that. Is what I essentially mean in a refined or in a more polished way of speaking. But any questions?
Do we give up 2 different reports for both the days, or is there like a combined thing on the last day?
You give me 2 different reports on both of the days. I do not do this कि दो दिन का साथ में दे दिया. Essentially because regardless of competition, regardless of everyone wanting to win, what we essentially attend these conferences, or what at least I used to still do, is to learn. Anything you do in life, or anything or everything you do in life, has to associate itself with learning, with understanding something, with knowing something that you did not know before. What is life without learning? What is life without some madman who chose to do something which no one had done before? They wanted to just learn or have fun while they were at it. So, keeping its essence alive, how I will essentially go about it is कि day one पे सुबह भी आई विल कॉल यू, पहले तो कॉन्फ्रेंस चालू होगा ना उसके पहले भी वी विल हैव अ मीटिंग, ठीक है? तभी अगेन कुछ सवाल होंगे, कुछ ब्रीफिंग होगी तो वो कर लेंगे. उसके बाद आई विल सेंड इट योर कमिटीज एंड विल मीट एवरी 1 hour 1.5 hour. आई कीप ऑन टेकिंग अपडेट्स फ्रॉम यू. क्या तकलीफें आ रही है, कंटेंट क्रंच हो रहा है या कंटेंट नहीं मिल रहा है क्या अच्छे से, प्रॉब्लम्स कैन वी विल स्टार्ट एंड iron out this stuff. Then we will meet again at lunch, and then 3:30 ko I will call you back, or whenever the high tea is I will call you back. Essentially for you the embargo is high tea. You have to report only till high tea. For you end of the day is high tea. Why? Now that has to do with the logistical issue which I face marking ka. So for those logistical issues which I cannot overcome, I have to stop you from reporting after high tea, because then the day gets on stretched unnecessarily, and day 2 पे report card भी देना होता है, तो it gets very close. So you come back at high tea, and then you essentially start writing, because we will keep on reviewing your content as we go throughout the day. So 3:30 ko when you come back, you start writing, and in the next 1 hour 1.5 hour you give me a draft article which is not marked. I do not mark your draft. I will read your draft. I will help you with where you are going wrong. I will give you feedback. I will cross out things which are not supposed to be there. Basically, will try to polish it a bit, and then based on that feedback, I'll give you another half an hour, 45 minutes to give me a fully finished article. So day 1 pe we do that. Day 2 pe I do not give into drafts, because day 1 pe I've already told you what your problems are. But day 2 pe if you of course have doubts, then obviously approach me. अभी ये बात हो गई आर्टिकल्स की. सेकंड चीज जो हम करने वाले हैं वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है. Why is press conference so important? One which we haven't seen in 6 years. But why is press conference so important? बोलो.
Bro, your voice isn't audible. Did you say something? Manaksh, I'm not able to hear you.
I asked why is press conference so important?
Okay, I don't know. For me, maybe it's my mobile. It's for everyone, because I'm not able to hear you like audibly. Like it's not like a connection issue. It's more like loudly.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, how about now? Is it
Yeah.
better now? Okay,
Yeah, I
I
think
think it was probably because of the whiteboard. Okay, so मैंने क्या पूछा कि why is press conference so important?
So I had a question about the report thing. Pehle, can I ask that? Hello? Is it my internet or is it Manaksh's?
It's his.
It's his net, maybe
Okay, cool then. We'll wait for
lagging a
him.
lot.
Is anybody speaking? अरे यार.
Has informed on the WhatsApp
No, I
group.
guess you're waiting for Manaksh.
Yeah, he's having some network issues, so he'll join.
Hello, I am back. Apologies. Hello.
No issues. Hi, man.
Yeah, did anyone leave or is everyone still here?
No, I guess we are all still here.
Okay, thank you. What was I saying? I I lost track.
So I had a question which I wanted to ask about
Huh?
reporting.
Okay.
You were asking something about press conference. I was like, can I ask you the question before, and then that's when you cut off.
हाँ ask.
अच्छा, तो what I want to know is जो report कर रहे हैं, are we reporting it from the perspective that we are reporting the UNSC simulation at Waziman 2020, or are we reporting from the perspective that I am reporting the UNSC?
Getting to that. So essentially, how it is supposed to be, or how what I like to believe is we are not in a simulation. We are in an actual United Nations. This is how I like to matlab, that is what I prefer. Which is because if you think about something as a simulation, then maybe it doesn't do justice to the whole concept of it. It's what I personally feel. But yeah, so that is how I prefer it. So when you go in there during the weekend, what you will essentially act as, or who you will essentially act as, actual reporters from a single news agency who are reporting at the actual United Nations. Okay, so
Cool.
let's just say, for example, we can be the United Nations Information Center if we want to, or we can be Reuters, or we can be Amnesty International. But why I do not like to name of us as a particular agency like a Reuters or like say an Amnesty International is because everyone again has a distinct style of writing, and you cannot expect someone to write in a way an agency does. Like I
Possible
cannot,
fictions as well.
like I cannot expect someone from say NDTV to write for Republic TV, or someone from a Republic TV to write for NDTV, because that doesn't make sense. At least to me, it doesn't, because those are very two different and distinct style of organizations, right? So that is what we will be believing. We are at an actual United Nations. Coming back to what I was saying about the press conference, we have two aspects of our international press. One is reporting, second is press conference. First, reporting, I have tried to cover as much as I can. We will have a Q&A. Do you want it right now, or should I continue out the press conference?
I think if we had it right now and we cleared off one topic completely and then
All
moved
right,
ahead, it would be
let's have
more
the Q&A.
conducive.
Let's have the Q&A.
Okay, so first things first. I mean, if I'll go, I have another question. Am I audible?
Ask.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
So the expectation is two reports only, right? Like from the report side, you don't want to see the notes or anything. Is it correct?
I will see your notes. Matlab, I will not mark you upon the notes, but I will see your notes. Yes. One second. Now, the reason I'm saying that I'll see your notes is because I would, like to get an idea of how your content has been progressing and how you're going about it. Okay? So that is what I would like to have. So that is why I'll look at your notes, but only to know how your content gathering has been going. Okay? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is essentially only why I'll be looking at your notes. No other issue. Anybody else? किसी को और कोई doubt है?
I have another question.
I would like to entertain more questions. Please ask me questions, because तुम जितना doubt पूछोगे उतना I can cover things. मतलब देख बता दे.
मेरे पास एक और क्वेश्चन है वैसे.
पूछो.
हाँ तो what is the criteria that are you still here? I think he left. No, he's I don't know, man. Manax, are you there here?
Yes.
Is Manax still here?
Manak sir, your voice isn't audible. No. Different device type.
Unmute तो करो. No, we can't hear you, man.
Try removing earphones. नहीं. अच्छा, try different device ना.
हाँ, जो डिवाइस पे थे पहले उससे आ रहा था.
Okay, I'm here, and this is the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to me. But okay, I'm back. Yeah, shoot. Ask.
अरे हाँ, अरे chill out. So my question was, what is the marking criteria or scheme that you will be following?
Right. So I think I have kept the marking scheme. I haven't given the marking scheme, right? So guide me, I have quoted it as 60%, 40%, 40% for अपना this क्या बोलते हैं हाँ press conference and 60% for reporting. No, why I haven't gone with a lower number is because अगर तुम एक ही चीज अच्छे से कर पाते हो, maybe you're not, and if you're not good at asking questions, then maybe reporting isn't right for you, basically. So that is why I chose to go with a almost equivalent sort of marking. I used to do 50-50 before, but that doesn't sit right. So 60-40 is perfectly fine. 60 for reports and 40% for your press conference. Now 60%, 40%. So basically 2 days of conference report I mark out of 10. This way I look at your grammar, I look at your spelling mistakes, I look at the way you're writing, your writing style, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
अच्छा,
I will search for the sheet in my phone right now, and I will show it to you. Tab tak you can ask me more questions.
Okay, so I got logged out for a couple minutes beach mein.
I noticed.
Yeah, so in that time period, if you said anything about press conferences, can you please?
No, I did not. I haven't touched press conferences. I've been facing issues myself. I'm so sorry.
अच्छा, I'm sorry for asking so many questions, but
I want questions because that is how we can interact more. Like, because if I keep on speaking, so it gets. Bola.
So what I want to know is, considering you said that you are accepting different styles of writing and we can choose the type of article we want, am I correct when I'm understanding that?
Yes.
So I am allowed to write an op-ed.
Yeah, I said that.
No, I'm just confirming it because
yeah,
it becomes a very different thing when, like, if I come up with an op-ed and then
see,
opinions weren't
again,
allowed.
there are no brownie points for op-ed and there is no brownie point if you go with a normal article, because as I said, I can't force a writing style on someone, na. Okay,
cool.
So I will be showing you a mark sheet right now. We'll proportionately get it down to 10, or we can keep it the same way as it is. Up to you guys. Let me share my screen and let me put it on D&D. Okay, I can't share screen apparently. Can somebody make me co-host?
They can't make you a co-host in the breakout room. You'll have
I'll
to go
ask
out
her.
and come back in.
1 second, I have another idea. हाँ, तब तक तुम लोग सवाल पूछो, तब तक I'll execute that. Hello.
Ane सुनाई दिया. I don't think anybody else has any questions really. Maybe.
Why? Matlab why?
I mean, you are giving fluidity, you're giving free range as to how you want to interpret.
Okay.
You have to write our article, so I don't think anyone will have a question.
I'll
tell you
I have
something.
a small question.
Thank you.
This might sound a bit stupid, but we're supposed to question the delegates as well, right? We can do that. Is it just me, or can no one hear anything?
No, I don't think he's here.
Okay.
Did he once again quit the meeting or something?
Could you maybe put it in the chat box or try rejoining? Because we can't hear you if you're still there.
As far as I understand it,
Hello.
So when and are we okay? So first, are we supposed to ask questions to the delegates, and second, when are we supposed to do that?
All right. So that is the more of a behavior. That is the more of a different aspect of how you're supposed to behave in the committee. But when you essentially ask questions, you are not supposed to speak in between committee sessions. That is, oh, kanala khada laun. Yeah, you're not supposed to speak like that. When someone is when the committee sessions are going on, you're not supposed to speak at all. Okay, at all. Please bear with me because I did that once and I was reprimanded very badly. Oh, I just realized this does not have a CD-ROM. Anyway, so yeah, you're not supposed to ask questions during a session, but alternatively, what you can do is you can text them on Zoom. And I will make it a point once you're allotted your committees tomorrow. I will make it a point to get you guys added to the respective committee WhatsApp groups. That is also how you can ask them a question. Yeah, ask them on Zoom or during a unmod. You are more than free to approach them. जस्ट मेक श्योर अगर सवाल पूछा और जो आंसर है वो प्रॉपर्ली कोट कर रहे हो, ऊपर ए का बी नहीं कर रहे हो, बी का सी नहीं कर रहे हो, इतने चीज पे ध्यान रखना. I have a question for you guys. Shreya, you're on mute.
No, that wasn't for you.
All right. I have a question for you guys. Do you want the allotments to be rigid or do you want to change your allotments on day 2?
rigid, better.
Let's have a show of hands, virtual show of hands.
Wait, I lost you there for a second. What exactly did you ask?
अच्छा, इतना भी बोर नहीं कर रहा हूँ मतलब, but so what did I ask? Yeah, do you want your allotments to be rigid, as in दोनों दिन सेम कमिटी कवर करना है या फिर एक दिन दूसरा और सेकंड डे पे दूसरा, कैसा जाना है? Rigid, all right. 2 for rigid so far. Rigid 3. Rigid, okay. Rigid. Okay, someone said okay, Shreya. Okay. So, considering there are a lot of people who wanted rigid, but there is also someone who wants it to be flexible. What we can do is day 2 पे वापस एक call लेते हैं. अगर किसी को किसी के साथ switch करना है, someone is willing to, like, because I'll tell you one thing, वो boring हो जाता है एक point के बाद, because वो लोग same चीज बहुत बड़बड़ाते हैं, पागल हो जाओगे तुम लोग. तो डे 2 पे और एक बार कॉल लेंगे. अगर किसी को किसी के साथ स्वैप मारना है तो मेरे को बता देना, we'll facilitate it, not an issue.
But they continue the discussion from the first day ना, तो we will be lost. अपने को मालूम नहीं है कि
Day 1 handover लेके जाना ना. Handover as in
Okay.
उसका day 1 का article. I can't do that. I won't let you read someone else's article.
We can't read ना, like.
I will not let you do that. मुझसे सिर्फ पूछ लेना कि क्या हुआ था क्या नहीं हुआ था, एक जनरल ओवरव्यू नोट्स पास ऑन कर लेना. I leave that up to you as long as you don't share your articles. Aditi, do you have a question? You look
No.
confused. You look confused. Okay. Pravalika, Mahua, Nupur, Shreya, Tanvi, Meher, Aditi, Gargi, you can also ask questions. Gargi, are you assigned to IP?
No, sir. We didn't have
That's
volunteers.
all right. So I am assuming there aren't any more questions.
Yeah, I guess pretty much no more questions. Yeah.
Manas,
Okay,
why do
wait,
you have okay?
So
Manas, you
sorry.
have a Kabir Singh look.
यार मतलब I'm just growing out my beard, man. चलो.
All the best. I'm trying to grow out my hairs.
मेरे बाल तो बड़ी रहते हैं. Last time
हाँ.
I unfortunately went for a haircut and that guy cut this side इतना और ये side इतना.
I remember.
Look at the imbalance, man.
Somebody was asking me a question. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I had a small question.
Hello.
Okay, this is my first time. I might come up with stupid.
Shoot,
I'm so sorry.
Shoot. See,
तो
nothing is stupid. It's all right. No one is smart. Like, I just speak. मेरे में भी है नहीं इतना कुछ, but yeah, don't worry. It's okay.
Okay, yeah, so we're supposed to question people during the press conference, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me elaborate after your question.
No, that was my question.
Okay, so with regards to the press conference, I will allow you a minimum of 3 questions and a maximum of 5 questions, and I will allow you follow-ups. If you ask 3 questions, I will allow you follow-ups. If you ask 5 questions, I will allow you only 1 follow-up. Because time बढ़ते जाता है. So there's that. And obviously, since we have 13 people in the committee, some committees will see 3 people covering the same committee. So all the best with that. But yeah, so with regards to press conference, there's that. We might also have to cut short the timing. तो तुम्हारे 5 सवाल होंगे, मे बी सारे के सारे पूछ नहीं पाओगे, तो 3 में फॉलो अप कर लोगे तो मेरे हिसाब से तो बेटर होगा. 16 है, मुझे पता नहीं. I do not have the matrix as of now. How do you have the matrix and I don't have the matrix?
They put the matrix on the group,
Yeah, they
dude.
put it on the group.
I haven't opened the group. I'll have to see. I'm so sorry.
You literally sent texts on the group. How have you not opened the group?
I have a goldfish memory, okay. But yeah, I haven't seen the matrix. I'll see the matrix anyway. What was I saying?
You're saying good luck with that because 3 people are there.
Yeah. So some committees will have 3 people, some will have 2 people. All the best.
If all 16 come, technically one committee will have
नहीं
4
आएंगे.
people.
नहीं आएंगे 16 लोग. मैं लिख के देता हूँ नहीं आएंगे. With that meme, वो meme किसका था? हाँ. Who was that guy? I forgot. कालीन भैया वाला मीम था. मैं लिख के देता हूँ, कोई नहीं आएगा. But it was in Wasipur context anyway. I'm blabbering too much. Yeah. So 16 people, not all of them will turn up. I am pretty sure तुम लोग में से भी ज्यादा लोग नहीं आएंगे because that is what happens. I mean, a lot of people don't show up just because it is an online conference. I've seen this happen so many times and it baffles me. And like, मतलब तुमने पैसा भरा फिर भी तुम आते क्यों नहीं हो? मतलब one place I had 18 people, 6 लोग आए थे सिर्फ. I was like, all Zoom पे तो रहूंगा ही. तो we will have a different IP breakout room जहाँ पे we will hold the review meetings as I said, जो 1-1 घंटे के बाद I tend to keep. तो वो करेंगे हम लोग हर 1 घंटे में. Sound good? Yes. Sound good? Hello.
Wait, so the
Yeah.
conference, you ask questions to the people. Conference is not for us, all of us journalists to meet and discuss, what is happening in committee.
You can in IP room, but you cannot discuss it in the your committee. You have absolute liberties and rights to discuss a question during a press conference, and that is when I expect you to shine. This is my moment type.
Sorry, like I'm still not getting the point of the press conference then. If we're having a review meeting and then if we are questioning our delegates on...
Do you know why I'm
chat,
having a review meeting?
It's like, you want to discuss like what all is currently happening in the...
That is for me to help you guys out with regards to content. या फिर तुम्हें कुछ difficulty आ रहा है तो it does nothing to do with the conference in general. That is just how we're supposed to work. Because अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं होगा कि तुम्हारा content कैसा gather हो रहा है या फिर तुम्हें तकलीफ क्या है, तो फिर कैसे चलेगा ना. And जब मैंने बोला कि तुमको टाइप करके चैट बॉक्स में पूछना है, दैट इज ड्यूरिंग अ फॉर्मल सेशन. बट ड्यूरिंग अ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस तुम 1-to-1 होगे, तुम सवाल पूछोगे. You will be there. You will be the spotlight during that. अभी मैं कैसा तुम लोग को स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा हूँ? You will be the ones who will be there asking questions and they will answer you. Like अभी जैसे तुमने सवाल पूछा मैंने आंसर किया. That is like a normal 1-to-1. वैसा होगा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस. With regards to the text thing, it is during a formal session. If you want a clarification, if you want the exact verbatim what they asked, that is when you text them. And with review meetings, that is for me to help you out as your editor-in-chief or as your head of press to make sure कि तुम्हारा conference अच्छा जा रहा है या फिर तुम कुछ सीख रहे हो ना. Get it?
All right.
Questions?
I had a question.
Yes.
Do we have the press conference on both the days
Last
or
day.
just...
Last day, 1 press conference, 2 articles, 1 press conference.
Okay.
I get this question a lot. Are we supposed to include the press conference in the report? Yes and no. We're not supposed to include the press conference. ऐसा नहीं लिखना है कि press conference हुआ और उन्होंने ऐसा वैसा वैसा बोला, reporter ने ये पूछा, उसने वो बोला. How you can ask it is upon how you can, rather you have to word it in a very different manner. Like the delegate said this. Yes, Shreya, it is fine. I'm wrapping up anyway. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. So, I hope I cleared your doubt. Wait, I forgot your name. Krisha, I hope I answered your question.
Yes, yes.
All right. So, do we have any questions? You, Gargi, you can stop recording. It's all right.
But